Hello everyone, do you want to use only one name on Facebook? But Facebook keeps asked for a last name. Then watch this video till the end because today I will show you the update single name tricks for 2026 step by step. Many people are already using these tricks successful. But if you do it the wrong way, your Facebook ID can be locked. So don't skip any parts for this video. Before we start, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful Facebook tips. Step 1. Change Facebook language. Now change your Facebook language to Bahasa Indonesia. Step 2. Change your name. After changing the language, go to your profile name option. Enter your name in the first name box. After that, go to Play Store and search Urban VPN and install it. After that, select Indonesia country, turn on VPN. After that, go to Facebook apps. Leave the last name empty. Then tap on Save Change. Step 3 done. If Facebook accepts it, congratulations, your Facebook account now has only one name.